Great Hearts Arlington is a classical charter academy that is rooted in an Aristotelian philosophy. We are based on objective truth, but we're also rooted in virtue. We believe that the beauty of man is the activity of the soul. When we first started in 2021, we made a commitment to our families that the fundamental aim of our lower school would be to help our scholars grow in virtue. And we do that through our rigorous and rich curriculum. But how we teach is even more important than what we teach. And so we decided to craft and cultivate an event that really focused on the habitual action of virtue.
Today is one of my favorite days of the entire month because we get to come together as a school community to talk and celebrate about virtue.
We call them Archer Assemblies because what they really do is they exemplify what it means to be a student on our campus, what it means to be an Arlington Archer. We're celebrating art, music, Latin, physical education, as a reminder to these scholars that they have many gifts and talents and that our school is a home where those can cultivate and grow and thrive.
A round of applause for all of our virtue of citizenship. Excellent work.
We also recognize a teacher or a faculty member at the conclusion of the assembly. Our whole community comes together, we vote on a faculty member that we think embodies that virtue. And it's a reminder that how we teach and who we're surrounding your children with is just as important as what we teach.
And so, boys and girls, we would like to celebrate Miss Youngberg.
This year is our inaugural year for our Great Hearts Arlington Prefect program. Our Prefect program is really designed for our fifth graders to be the leaders in our campus community. They exemplify all that it is to be a great-hearted scholar. We are so grateful to have this Prefect program on our campus, to give our scholars the opportunity to practice as a fifth grader all of the wonderful things that they've learned starting in kindergarten about what it means to be truly great-hearted and practice those 9 core virtues that we hold so dear and so essential to us. And to remind them that they can take everything that they're learning here at Great Hearts Arlington on with them after they graduate and go on to Great Hearts Arlington Upper School.